Benefit number 3 is cancer-fighting properties. Now, one of the key bioactive compounds found in broccoli sprouts microgreens is sulforaphane, which is a compound that has been extensively studied for its potential anti-cancer effects. So this compound activates enzymes that aid in detoxification, that aid in elimination of carcinogens, reduce inflammation, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that consuming sulforaphane-rich foods like broccoli sprout microgreens may have a protective effect against certain types of cancer. Benefit number 4 is for the heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being. Broccoli sprout microgreens, they contain compounds that support healthy heart. Sulforaphane may help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent the oxidation of LDL bad cholesterol, which is a major contribution to heart disease. The high fiber content of microgreens also helps to lower blood pressure and promote healthy cardiovascular function.